So this is a staple gun, and on occasion when you're stapling, you might be able to obviously get a staple, but when you're working with acoustic sealant, like so, sometimes getting the staple through can leave this unpleasant black goo all over your stapler. So when that happens and you're having trouble getting a staple through, like so, this lighting is unfortunate, but there's no staple there. You can see the indentation of where the staple should be. What you do is you just grab some acetone. You want to make sure it's 100%, because regular nail polish remover will not work. And then you take a piece of cloth, like a paper towel, just pour a little acetone on there. This is going to be an awkward angle because I'm doing this one-handed. And the great thing about acetone is it will remove all this gunk. You can just put it even directly on there, and it'll wipe it right off. Takes a couple of swipes because there's quite a lot of it gunked on there. I'm going to take out the staples so I don't accidentally staple my finger. And you want to be able to get right in there with, see how it depresses as you push down on it. You want to get in this little space as best as possible. Make sure there's no bits of paper towel left. And acetone is so strong that it will even take off the paint on the DeWalt. So you might want to be careful if that's something that's important to you, to keep that on there. Quite frankly, I don't care. It's on the other side. So you're just gonna give it a nice clean as best as you can. Apologize for the quality of this video, but then you pop your staples back in. Acetone, because it is got a lot of the same properties as rubbing alcohol, is a very drying substance, so it does dry almost on contact. And you'll see there's your staple. If it's not working, you can just re-clean it, but it should work now like a charm. So I'm going to pop back up here. And there we go. It's working. And it's taking a lot of acoustic sealing with it, so I'm going to have to clean it all over again. But this bottle cost, I think, $2? $3. Cost $3. And I've cleaned this about 6 times today, and I barely made a dent in this bottle. So little goes a long way.